kids. Today we will learn alphabet. Sky blue, blue, orange, chocolate, parrot green, red, E. Say with me. A is for apple. B. Say with me. B is for bird. C. Say with me. C is for coconut. D. Say with me. D is for dog. E. Say with me. E is for eraser. F. Say with me. F is for fish. G. Say with me. G is for goat. H. Say with me. H is for heart. I. Say with me. I is for igloo. J. Say with me. J is for jelly. K. Say with me. K is for king. L. Say with me. L is for lion. M. Say with me. M is for mushroom. N. Say with me. N is for nest. O. Say with me. O is for orange. P. Stay with me. P is for panda. Q. Stay with me. Q is for cuckoo. R. Stay with me. R is for rat. S. Say with me. S is for sun. T. Say with me. T is for tree. U. Say with me. U is for umbrella. V. Say with me. V is for violin. W. Say with me. W is for watermelon. X. Say with me. X is for X-ray. Y. Say with me. Y is for yum. Z. Say with me. Z is for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.